Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetable soup chow. First, gather all your ingredients, including a variety of fresh vegetables such as 2 cups of chopped carrots, 1 cup of celery, and 3 medium potatoes. Make sure you have a large pot, a sharp knife, and a cutting board ready. Having everything prepped before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, let's get those vegetables prepped. Start by thoroughly washing and peeling any root vegetables like carrots and potatoes. Then, dice your carrots, celery, and onions into uniform, bite-sized pieces, about 1/2 inch. Don't forget to mince 2 cloves of fresh garlic and grate about 1 inch of fresh ginger for an aromatic base. Consistent cuts ensure even cooking and a great texture. Now, it's time to build the rich flavor base for your soup. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your large pot over medium heat. Add the minced garlic, grated ginger, and diced onions, sautéing until fragrant, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Then, add your diced carrots, celery, and potatoes, cooking for another 5 minutes before pouring in 4 cups of savory vegetable broth. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Finally, let's bring it all together. Allow the soup to simmer gently for about 20 minutes, or until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. Just before serving, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped parsley for a burst of color and flavor. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Serve your warm, comforting vegetable soup chow and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.